Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another lovely episode of Cooking with Cheeds. Today we're making salmon. Yes, I said salmon. Fight me. Let's get it. First, you want to get your salmon fillet and cut it up into smaller fillets, I guess. It's a nice piece of fish right there. This nice piece of fish. Once you have them cut, you're going to pat them dry. You're going to add your salmon to a Ziploc bag. I'm going to add some teriyaki sauce to it because I don't feel like making it from scratch. After you add a little bit, you know, make sure you squeeze all the air out, and then you're going to close the bag. And of course, after you do that, you gotta give it a nice massage and make sure the sauce is coating all the salmon. And then you're gonna put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to overnight, depending on when you want to cook it. Let's go. And while we're waiting for the salmon to marinate, we're gonna make some asparagus. Let's get it. Get some of your asparagus, bring them out, and you're gonna cut the ends off. After you take the ends off, you're gonna put them in a pan. Spread them out. While it's in the pan, you're gonna add some olive oil. Just enough to coat them all, and that should be good enough. Next up, you're gonna add some lemon pepper. Some garlic powder. And some onion powder. Then you're gonna massage it. Make sure you coat everything. And now you got it all nice and coated. And if I can't forget your best friend, adobo. Now into a 450-degree oven. Alright, now it's time to cook the salmon. Let's get it. You want to set the pan to medium to low heat. You're going to add some olive oil. Once you get the oil nice and hot, you're going to add the salmon face down. In another saucepan, you're going to add the sauce and heat that up to about medium heat. You're going to reduce that down. Once it's about this thick, you can take it off the heat and put it to the side. After about 15 minutes, you can take the asparagus out the oven. It should be done. Beautiful. Time to cook. While it's still cooking, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter, garlic, and rosemary. Crush the garlic first, of course. And now you're going to baste the salmon. Now you're going to take the salmon out and it's done. You're going to take that sauce from before and glaze that on there. Ooh, that's looking good. Now it's time to try it. First, the asparagus. That's good. And now for the salmon. Wow. That's some good stuff. That's Cheeto-licious. Remember, this has been Cooking with Cheeds.